stop this world from spinning. Like Superman, you were the only one to find the strength in all that I was dealing with this life, like kryptonite. And if you keep me close, every minute in this hourglass, you hold. Oh, 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 and when I fall to be right when I wait to slay me, a superhero in your a superhero in your
We may be stressed after work, school, homeschool, or just trying to get all things done throughout the day. One of the easiest ways to reduce stress is to eat dinner that promotes a calming and relaxing mood. Simmer down and loosen up while creating a scrumptious, good mood recipe. Gluten-free version of sesame chicken is crispy chunks of deep-fried buttered chicken in sweet, sour, and savory glazed sauce packed with sesame flavor. A Chinese classic made in your own kitchen, and it only takes under 30 minutes. Have this healthier version of your favorite dish to feed both your body and soul with a soothing chamomile tea as an addition for a moment of calm.
Hi there, this is Reese Sampson and welcome to another healthy recipe. At the end of this video, please make sure you click on the like, hit the subscribe button, and click on the bell so you get notified whenever I release a new video. I'm also on Facebook, Reese Sampson Blogs, so head on over there and make sure you hit the like. I'm also on Instagram, so please do follow at Risa_Samson. Now let's start cooking.
The ingredients for our gluten-free sesame chicken are the following. The ingredients of today will also be placed in the description below. Half a kilo chicken breasts, 2 medium eggs, salt and pepper for seasoning, 1 cup potato starch, slice the chicken breast to inch cubes. Marinate the chicken cubes with a dash of salt and pepper. Then crack in 2 medium eggs and combine. Then set aside for a few minutes to marinate. Meanwhile, the ingredients for the sesame sauce are the following: 1/4 cup gluten-free soy sauce or any light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons water, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 3 tablespoons honey, 1 tablespoon brown rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons potato starch, 1 tablespoon toasted sesame seeds, and a few spring onions for garnish. Let's now prepare the sesame sauce. In a bowl, place in the gluten-free soy sauce, water, honey, sesame oil, brown rice vinegar, and potato starch. Whisk till all ingredients are dissolved. Then set aside. Chop the spring onions for garnish. And set aside. Once the chicken is marinated, spray the potato starch with a few pumps of water. Until the potato starch gets a little damp, this will make the coating of the chicken thicker and more crispy. In a container, add the bottom layer of potato starch and place in the chicken cubes. Making sure they don't stick together. Then, sprinkle a layer of potato starch on the top. Cover the container and give it a few shakes till the chicken are coated with the starch. Then, set them aside. Heat up a non-stick pan and set the temperature to medium heat. Add in a cup of coconut oil. And once the oil is heated, place in the coated chicken cubes and fry by batches till they are slightly brown. Then, set aside to cool for 15 minutes. Using the same pan, double fry the chicken to make it more crispy. Fry till they turn a little darker brown. Then, take them out and set aside. Using a different pan, light up the stove and set it to medium-low. Place in the sesame sauce mixture and continuously stir till the sauce thickens. Then, place in all the cooked chicken cubes. Toss till the chicken are fully coated with the sauce. Lastly, sprinkle the toasted sesame seeds and toss. Then, set aside. Your gluten-free sesame chicken is ready to be served, garnished with spring onions and steamed rice on the side. While dinner hour represents a calm oasis from the day's storm, this easy sesame chicken is so flavorful and delicious. You will add it to your weekly menu. It's easy to make and budget-friendly time saver. Perfect to unwind on a busy weeknights with a cup of calming chamomile tea.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and press the bell button to get notified when I upload new videos. Before we end, please don't forget to share this healthy recipe and check out my other easy and healthy recipes on my playlist. So that's it for today. Till the next one, happy eating!